What's up, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all having a great week so far and all feeling well. If you're new here, my name is Ryan and I post weekly videos. So definitely come back next week because I've got so many other stuff to talk about. If you have seen and enjoyed my previous videos and you haven't subscribed yet, now is probably the right time to hit the subscribe button and that notification bell. So in this video, guys, I'm going to show you how I'm going to set up my 2021 planner. So I'm still going to use the Louis Vuitton desk agenda cover for this year, but I'm just going to change it up a little bit by using a different planner. So for 2 years now, I've been using planners from personalplanner.com, which I've reviewed in my previous video. But this year, I'm going to use a separate notebook for my notes, for my extra notes, and then I'm going to use a different planner. I purchased one from Louis Vuitton, the Agenda 2021. I was going to go for a full-on Louis Vuitton theme, but the Louis Vuitton notebook is out of stock, so I just purchased a Moleskin one instead. Yeah, I also purchased a couple of pen holders from AliExpress. They're both $1 each, in case I have trouble clipping my pen on the new planner. Unlike this personal planner from personalplanner.com, it does have a lot of room for pens in the spring. So yeah, I'm not sure if the Louis Vuitton one is going to work for that. So I bought those pen holders. And then those cards, they can stay in those card slots because I'm going to use them anyway still in 2021. So yeah, I also bought a notebook from Moleskin because I think it's the next best thing to the Louis Vuitton notebook. It's high quality notebook and high quality paper. It's well made. I'm obsessed with the color, and I really want a good writing space because I'm pretty sure I'm going to be busy this year with my studies. And yeah, so this will be my main notebook for my notes, my ideas, and other stuff. But I will have a separate notebook still for my meetings or work stuff, and another separate notebook for when I talk to my patients at work. What I really like about the Moleskin notebooks is that you can lay them down flat, like really nicely. So yeah, they don't have any resistance. So it's a perfect writing space. They do have back compartments as well, and which includes some information about the notebook, some history right there. But I'm not really going to end up using the back compartment and the elastic marker because I'm just going to put the whole back cover into the back pocket of the agenda cover, so it will just sit nicely on the back. So this notebook is just slightly smaller than the usual A5 notebook. Yeah, so now I'm going to unbox my Louis Vuitton 2021 Office Weekly Agenda Refill. So that's actually what it's called technically. Yeah, I don't know why I planned to remove that ribbon. I could have just unfastened or removed that string around that patina button. So in the box you will see a receipt, of course, and then the main box of the agenda refill. So again, this is a weekly office agenda refill. So the idea for the design of this particular planner is to showcase the Louis Vuitton house icon Vivienne, and it kind of showcase her adventure and her journey from home to a variety of destinations all over the globe. So yeah, so it's not a very thick planner, and it features like a silvery finish on the edges. I don't know if you can sort of see it on your screens, and then like I said, it does feature some illustrations that depicts Vivienne. And then it also comes with a few stickers, not so many compared to last year's planner. So I'm just going to place them in one of the pockets of the agenda cover, like so. So now I'm going to show you guys what's inside the agenda refill. So like I said, you will see a lot of illustrations, colorful ones. You will see a different illustration each month. You will get a page to write your personal information in, and also pages for yearly overviews, where you can write important dates. You will also see pages for monthly overviews that doesn't sort of come before each month, at the beginning of each month. So you can also plan ahead by writing on those boxes. So you will also notice that some of the words are written in both English and French. So yeah, it's Louis Vuitton, so that's kind of a given. So the pages are, you will notice that the pages are a little thin, but the paper is, you'll be able to tell that it's high quality. So those are the illustrations that I was talking about. And you will get a big writing space as well on the side, which is good, so you can write notes as well. So this is the first time I'm going to be using a vertical format for my planners or diary. So I'll see how I go. So I'm gonna try and show you guys the illustrations one by one for each month. So yeah, they're very beautiful, as you can see. So the lower right corners of the pages have perforations that you can just tear off when you're done with each page, which is a really neat feature, I think. So the only issue I had initially was the pen. So I wasn't sure how I was going to include it in the setup, because the spring is too small. So I wasn't sure if it's going to fit when I close the agenda cover. But I have figured out a way to sort of attach it to the actual agenda cover. So for the planner, I'm just going to use the back cover, and I'm going to insert it into the front pocket of the agenda cover, and it would still work fine. You would still be able to turn each page normally. I just don't want to end up hiding that front cover because it's so cute. So I would use the back cover instead. And yeah, as you can see, you can turn the pages and it would still lay flat. So like I said earlier, I have figured out a way to include the pen into the setup, and that is by attaching the pen to the notebook. And that is by using some adhesive pen holders, which I purchased from aliexpress.com. They're basically made of felt-like material and then double-sided tape. So you basically just peel off the tape, like so. So I'm going to stick this on the front cover of the notebook. So it does have like an elastic loop where you can insert the pen. Yeah, so try not to sort of place it on the top of the notebook or the back, because it's not going to work. You're not going to be able to close the agenda cover if you do that. So the ideal place, I would say, is sort of close to the middle. And then you can just insert your pen. So it will be a little tight at first, and then you can just close it and okay, so as you can see, it's already starting to, well, it's from AliExpress, so the quality is always, you know, a little questionable. So as you can see, it's already starting to detach from the adhesive part of the pen holder. So I'm gonna try and sort of repair it and stitch it back to yeah, to where the adhesive is, because that's a little lopsided, obviously. So I tried to repair that pen holder using some super glue and it worked. So it's now looking good. I tried to use my sewing skills but it didn't work. Yeah, so I can open the notebook with no issues. It's kind of not in the way the pen is. And then I can close the planner with no issues as well, as you can see. So yeah, that's my 2021 planner setup. I hope you guys find this video useful and gave you some ideas on how you're going to set up your next year's planner. If you guys are into buying or selling pre-loved luxury apparel, or if you have your own YouTube channel and you do product reviews or vlogs, please feel free to join my Facebook group. It's called The Lux Hall, and it's just a good sort of way to establish connections and exchange ideas and meet friends. So when you get the chance and you're on Facebook, please visit this group or this page and click join. This group will allow posting of YouTube channels or YouTube links and the links to your online stores. So yeah, let's grow this group together. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you want to see more videos like this, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified every time I upload a new video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.